Let me introduce our genuine design aero kit for new expander. We designed this new aero kit to enhance dynamic styling of expander. The original version has an essence of SUV, featuring the capability of SUV with higher ground clearance. So, the styling is also appearing the robust looking of SUV with high center of gravity. Instead of that, this aero kit is aiming to make this car look low and wide with the big mouth in front air dam and Aero Blade surrounding whole vehicle. It looks more premium and sporty with the precise details on air dam and rear spoiler with coordinated Aero Blade concept.
Drive your ambition, Mitsubishi Motors.